All right, outside you may notice that your grass doesn't look so great. You've got some brown patches or maybe some area where the grass isn't growing. I've got some tips on how you can bring that back to life. This is not a scene from American Gothic, me holding the rake, but you are going to use this rake first to kind of go ahead and start raking up the area where you've got those brown patches so that you can get any debris away from that area. Then you want to take a small little scratch tool that you can go ahead and loosen up the soil a little bit with. And the idea is that if it's compacted down there, the seed will not be able to get into the soil and germinate. So once you do all that, you kind of move it around so it's nice and soft. You can go ahead and sprinkle the seed onto that area. Now remember, there's no such thing as too much seed, but you do have to remember that you want to choose the appropriate seed mix. So if you get a lot of sun, do a sun mix. If you get a lot of sun and shade, get that mix. And there's even dense shade products that you can use on those areas that don't get a lot of sun. Once you place that seed down, it's very important that you cover it up with a little topsoil. Otherwise, the birds are just going to eat the seed. And then after that, water it. Wait a couple weeks, it'll start to germinate. You'll start to see the sprouts. You may have to go back again to add a little bit more seed just to fill it all in. But by the time summer is in full swing, you should have a thick green lawn that looks amazing. You see, it wasn't that hard to do.